Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to create realistic hair or fur in Blender. Whether it's for an animal, a character, or just to make your sphere look like a fuzzy tennis ball, go to the Particles Properties tab on the right hand side. It looks like a small sparkle icon. Click New to add a new particle system. By default, it's set to emitter, which makes particles shoot out like fireworks. We don't want that, we want hair. So, from the type drop-down, select hair. Now you'll see strands of hair appear all over your sphere. You can control how much hair there is by adjusting the number. For example, try lowering it if you want thinner hair or increasing it for thicker fur. Next, change the hair length to make the strands longer or shorter. Now tick Advanced. This unlocks extra hair settings. Then enable Hair Dynamics. This makes your hair react to movement, wind, or gravity, giving it a more natural look. Alright, let's scroll down to the physics section. Here you'll find something called Brownian. This controls how much random motion or messiness your hair has. Increasing this value makes the hair look more wild and natural, while keeping it low makes it straight and neat. Next, go to the Children section and select Interpolative Pole. This adds extra child hairs between the main hairs, making it look fuller and smoother. Kind of like adding more strands without increasing your hair count manually. You can adjust the display amount to control how many of these extra strands are shown in the viewport. Under the clumping settings, you'll find a slider called Clump. This controls how much the hair tips come together. A higher value makes the hairs stick together like wet fur, while a lower value keeps them more separated. Once you've got your settings looking good, go to the Cache section and click Bake. This saves the particle simulation, especially if you're using hair dynamics, so the hair behaves consistently during animation or playback. Now let's add some color. Go to the Materials tab, click New, and change the Viewport Shading mode to Material Preview so you can see the colors in real time. In the Surface section, click on the drop-down and select Principled Hair BSDF. This shader is designed specifically for realistic hair or fur materials. You can now tweak the color, roughness, and randomness to create the style you want. Blonde fur, brown hair, or even blue sci-fi fur. Totally up to you. And that's it. You've just created realistic hair or fur in Blender